Before operating any power equipment, be sure you are wearing safety glasses, hearing protection, and appropriate safety shoes. Clear the area of any debris and mark all obstacles. Be sure to clear the area of any pets or people, especially children. When you're ready to start the engine, open the fuel valve, close the choke, and turn the ignition switch clockwise. Then pull the pull cord towards your body until the engine starts. When the engine has been started, it's important to open the choke and let the unit run for about a minute before aerating. Before you begin aerating, make sure to adjust the throttle lever to your desired speed. When ready to aerate, push the transport lift handle down towards the unit to lower the tines. Push down on the handle to raise the front of the unit and engage the tines by pushing the clutch control handle. When the tines are engaged, they will pull the unit forward and you can begin aerating. Remember to raise the tines by pulling the transport lift handle up towards your body when making tight turns. Be safe and enjoy operating the Ryan Lawnaire IV with Easy Steer technology.